the hologram of being, the indelible frequency of our existence in the interconnected matrix. What if every interaction, every breath, every moment of your presence left an eternal mark on the vast tapestry of reality, reshaping the cosmos itself? Our fingerprints are not erased from the lives we touch. This is not a simple metaphor. It is a profound investigation into the permanence of the energetic resonance that every human being radiates. Imagine your existence as a living constellation, every encounter a flash that attaches itself to the orbit of another personal galaxy, forever altering its trajectory. Your words, your smiles, even your silences are luminous seeds planted in the gardens of other souls, germinating into new forms of thought, emotion, and action. What if every interaction, every breath, every moment of your presence left an eternal mark on the vast tapestry of reality, reshaping the cosmos itself into a perpetual echo of your being? Imagine your existence as a living constellation, where each encounter is a flash that attaches to the orbit of another personal galaxy, altering its trajectory forever. Your words, your smiles, even your silences are luminous seeds planted in the gardens of other souls, germinating into new forms of thought, emotion, and action. Are you ready to perceive the quantum magnitude of your impact and recognize the vibrational immortality of your being? What if that subtle caress of a kind word, that gesture of silent support, or the simple authenticity of your presence became portals of transformation for others, resonating through time and space? Does this mean that physical death is merely a transmutation of frequency, and that our consciousness leaves a holographic imprint that persists in the memory of the universe? Visualize your energy as a beam of light projecting toward that person, sowing a luminous seed of positive intention. Observe what emerges in your own consciousness and in your reality. We have been taught to believe that our existence is a linear and finite phenomenon, that our actions are ephemeral, and that our impact dissolves into the vast ocean of time. This limited perspective generates a crisis of purpose, a sense of existential insignificance, and an unfulfilled longing for transcendence. The veil of illusion blinds us to the invisible connections we weave in every moment. How many lives have we unknowingly touched? How many seeds have we planted in gardens we will never see bloom? Your existence is a living constellation, a miniature solar system, radiating its own light. Each encounter is a stellar flare that attaches itself to the orbit of another personal galaxy, not to dominate it, but to alter its trajectory, instilling new possibilities, perspectives, and directions. Your words, your smiles, even your intention-laden silences are luminous seeds planted in the etheric gardens of other souls. These seeds, invisible to the physical eye, germinate into new forms of thought, emotion, and action. Growth is organic and often invisible, but the sowing is eternal, and the harvest will manifest in the webs of life in unimaginable ways. Your legacy is the source code that is integrated into the algorithm of others' existence. A vibrational immortality beyond matter. The anxiety of ephemerality is a heavy blanket, and the search for external validation exhausts you, without finding the deep and lasting resonance you crave. Life is perceived as a straight line with a predictable end. Each interaction is a luminous seed that you sow with divine intention, and your presence is a ripple that reshapes the cosmos itself. Anxiety dissolves in the certainty of your indelible impact, and your life becomes a beacon of eternal resonance, a fractal pattern inscribed in the fabric of the universe. What intrinsic quality of your being, that unique vibrational signature, allows you to leave an indelible mark on the lives you touch, beyond any conscious effort? Discover and celebrate your primordial authenticity, Your holographic imprint is unrepeatable, and recognizing it is the first step to manifesting a transcendent and exponential impact in a world that often feels ephemeral and disconnected. The need to understand and activate our indelible impact is a spiritual and planetary urgency. Every moment we postpone our full awareness of our influence is a missed opportunity to co-create a reality of greater light and harmony. The time to be a conscious architect of resonance is now. Are you ready to be the living constellation that radiates light and purpose? The conscious architect that weaves its indelible legacy into the tapestry of reality. The resonance of your eternal being is waiting to be unleashed.